Khayelitsha Cookies, creating opportunity, one bite at a time. We started baking our delicious cookies during 2004 with 5 ladies from Khayelitsha. Today we still hand bake and hand pack our delicious cookies in our food safety accredited factory, and our staff number has grown to just under 90 full-time employees. What takes us 20 days to bake takes a machine only 1 day, so this is real job creation in action. All of our bakers are previously unemployed ladies from Khayelitsha, and most of them have no other skills to enable them to find work elsewhere. Every one of our employees supports at least 5 family members. So when we asked what the main things were that changed their lives from being unemployed to finding employment at our company, the answers were consistent: being able to afford food, clothing, shelter, and education. The core of our business is to create as much employment as possible, as this gives self-worth back to the ladies and alleviates poverty. We are a VAT-registered closed corporation, have an export license, and we are a Level 1 BEE supplier. We are also one of the very few suppliers who qualify for the supply development sector on your BEE scorecard. Our staff not only work at the company, but have a combined 30% shareholding in the business through a trust fund. This enables them to share in profit when we do well. We boast with a number of awards: Van Ryn's Best SMME for the year 2010, BBQ Best Employer of the Year 2012, and Click's Best New Product Developer of the Year 2015. We have had some really tough years, and getting to where we are today didn't come easy. Most people are not prepared to pay more for a hand-baked cookie than the mass-produced machine-baked cookie we all got so accustomed to. Hence, our profit margins are substantially lower than the norm. The business almost closed down in 2013 due to accumulated losses. At that time, Audrey Williams, the CEO of Khayelitsha Cookies, received a word from God and bought the business for R1, taking over the 2.5 million rand accumulated debt of a technically liquidated business. By God's grace and lots of hard work and passion, the business has since made a complete turnaround, and we aim to settle all of the debt by the end of 2023. The business concept is very easy. You buy a cookie and enjoy it, but what you have actually done is you have created jobs, assisted an SMME to grow and to make a difference in the South African economy. You can be part of making a full-time job a reality for some unemployed person by purchasing your cookies directly from our office or at various retail outlets like Pick n Pay or Clicks, and by ordering your company cookies and annual customer gifts directly from us. We thank you for helping us to alleviate poverty, one employee at a time. Enkosi kakhulu.